And then what's one strategy on being successful in real estate investing?
Real estate investing is about relationship. And to me, to really become a successful real estate investor, you need to know and own that piece. You need to understand that this is a relationship, that there's nothing one-sided about any of this, and that when you're looking at each and every situation, there's more than yourself involved. You're interacting with a person, and the quicker you can learn that in this business, the faster and far more successful you'll be.